Let me get really specific about one type of person people keep attracting because it illustrates this principle perfectly. Energy drainers. You know the type. The person who always has drama, who always needs something, who makes you feel amazing when they're happy with you and absolutely terrible when they're not. The person who takes and takes and takes, and somehow you keep giving even though you know better. Here is what is happening from the energy perspective. Energy drainers are people who learned to get their life force from other people's emotional reactions. They create situations that made you react with sympathy, with anger, with guilt, with the need to fix or save or help. When you react emotionally, you're feeding them energy. You're enabling them. But here is the key: they can only drain you if you're on a track where that dynamic is possible. What does that mean? It means you have to be on a matching broadcast. You have to broadcasting on some level. I'm responsible for other people's emotions, or my value comes from being needed, or I don't deserve peace unless I've earned it by helping someone, or perhaps other people's needs are more important than mine. The drainer is not creating these beliefs in you, they are responding to them. They can sense on an unconscious energetic level that you're a match for their pattern. I used to attract friends who would dump all their problems on me, call me crying at 2 a.m., needing constant reassurance and support, but somehow never being available when I needed something. Not once or twice, consistently. It was like I had a sign on my forehead that said emotional dumping ground, always open. And obviously, I would get so frustrated. Why did these people keep finding me? What was wrong with them? Wrong question. The right question was, what am I broadcasting that makes this dynamic possible? The answer was that I had this deep belief that the only way I could be valuable to people was by being useful, by being the helper, the supporter, the one who was always there. And if I wasn't needed, then what was I? That broadcast was a beacon for people who needed someone to need them.